Safety to me is caring about each other enough so that you have each other's backs. So at the end of the day, everybody can return home to the people they love the most.
Safety to me is speaking up before something happens, making sure everybody is safe and nobody gets injured, nobody cuts any fingers or toes off.
Looking out for each other because forklifts are bigger than people.
We don't want to risk it. Everybody go home safe. Let's make sure our teammates are safe and we're safe, and let's all go home and make it home to our families, you know, the people that matter the most to us.
Be proactive. I didn't think about that until just now. I was like, oh, it's funny because our Christian, Jamie's gonna love that. Yeah. Be proactive. Don't put your hands anywhere you wouldn't put your foot.
Safety to me is awareness. You got to always be alert and aware of your surroundings, be aware of where you're at, be aware of who is around you, what is around you, and the moving parts around you. We all want to be safe. We all have families to go home to, so stay aware.
Is that 1 O or 2? I'm too busy, which is my problem most of the time. And I hear other people kind of say, hey, I'm a little bit too busy for this right now. You can't be too busy for it because you've got a whole bunch of people on your floor that you're responsible for, and they're responsible for each other.
Go home the same way you came in. That's all I got.
You don't want to do it a little less aggressively?
Go home the same way you came in.
Safety is about teamwork. It's not any one person's responsibility. It takes a team of people to provide what we need, education and supplies, or in our case, a safety director that puts the fear of God in us.